All right, it is now 6:32. The case of a man paralyzed while in New Haven police custody is gaining national attention this morning after family members hired renowned civil rights attorney Ben Crump.
Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Marcy Jones is live in New Haven this morning with some of the takeaways from those news briefings that were held yesterday. Marcy, good morning.
Good morning. That's absolutely right. Ben Crump really hit home that the relationship between law enforcement officers and the community they serve should be built on trust. He says that moving forward, he would like to see a piece of legislation passed that he calls Medical Miranda Rights. Now, if passed, this would be a protection really put into place to protect a suspect in police custody. If they say they're injured, there would be a protocol, a strict protocol that would have to be followed, hopefully to prevent anything like this from happening again.
Justice for Randy Bass.
In a room filled with loved ones and community activists, well-known civil rights attorney Ben Crump addressed the current health of his 36-year-old client, Richard Cox, known as Randy, who Crump says is now paralyzed after a series of mistakes made by the New Haven Police Department. According to New Haven Police Department, if a suspect is injured in police transport, the protocol is to call for medical attention and wait for the ambulance to meet them there. The driver of the van holding Cox, Officer Oscar Diaz, did not do that. Diaz proceeded to the station. Then Cox was moved without medical supervision and placed in a cell, only later getting emergency surgery at Yale. Crump says there needs to be more specific laws in place to prevent this from happening again.
Medical Miranda requirements. That when a citizen says that I feel I am injured, that the police can't just discount them, that the police has to get a medical personnel to examine and review the person to make sure that if they say their neck might be broken, that it ain't broken, because if not, we will have more Randy Cox.
Crump was joined by the NAACP of Connecticut, and 5 New Haven police officers have been placed on paid leave. Reporting live in New Haven, Marcy Jones, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.